See, every time we don't get to the repairs quickly, our tenants think that we won't get to the repair, so why would they even put it in? Or why would they be quick about putting it in? Because we're not going to get there anyway for, a week or so. So we want to be as quick as we can when that repair comes in. We want to get to it right away. And then, communication. This is important,
Yeah. So, yeah.
Some tenants think, John, that they're bothering you. Mm-hmm. It's crazy. They're like, oh, yeah, it's been like this for a while. Literally, this was actually fairly recently. My maintenance guy went to do, we do 2 checks each year. Okay. So one of my maintenance guys goes to this property and he's walking around talking with the tenant, and there's an extension cord plugged in for the refrigerator. And what's going on here? Oh, yeah, it won't work. It's been like that for a long time. He goes downstairs, flips the breaker, plugs it in. Sure enough, it works. No big deal. Toilet. Oh, yeah, toilet hasn't been working. Well, how long has it been working? Oh, like 6 months. They're taking a bucket of water. They're filling the bucket of water from the tub, and they're dumping it into the toilet so they can flush the toilet. They've got the water turned off. Very simple fix. He had to go to Home Depot and buy the guts for the toilet, put new guts in, and now the toilet's working. Yep. Super simple, but they didn't want to bother us because they felt bad. So instead, they're filling a bucket up of water to dump into the toilet to flush it. They got an extension cord, which is a safety hazard. It's crazy. So communication's huge.
Yep. That's a huge thing that I think people run into all the time with rental properties. And it's really important. I mean, if somebody's just dealing with a maintenance concern, just putting up with it. And then when the next one comes along, they're just going to put up with that one. Then the next one comes along. So it gets worse and worse.
Yeah. So, and it's in your property. Oh my gosh. It just, the amount of work that it would have taken just to do that first repair is so much less than all of a sudden now we've got 6 months worth of repairs. And when it started was, a $20 repair, to now it's a $300 repair.
Want to hear more on this topic? Click the link below for the full episode of Maximizing Your Property Value.